let's talk about individual component, right? How do these components operate in a seal stack? The first one that we want to talk about is the V-ring, which is essentially a primary component in the V-seal stack, which creates that seal. So these are made out of either PTFE, PEEK, or elastomer material. Now, depending on which material we use, we adjust the cross sections of the seal stack of the V-rings. Now, if it is made out of PTFE or V-ring, then most of the time these are primary V-rings, and they're doing the job of sealing, right? So provide that sealing. When it is made out of PEEK material, it has a slightly smaller cross section, and it is used as a backing V-ring oftentimes. It all depends on the customer, the application conditions that customer provide. We adjust the sizing based on the available information. Now, how do these function? On the bottom right, you see that when the pressure is applied on the seal stack from one direction, the first V-ring gets pushed into the second one. And that's where the two forces generate, radial and axial force. Radial force, basically what it does, it pushes the lips of the V-ring outside, and which causes the interference with the hardware to create that seal. And that radial force is shown by a green arrow, and then the axial force is shown by the blue arrow. That axial force pushes the V-ring into the next V-ring, and then next V-ring into the next V-ring, and which we call a vectoring effect. And this is how the seal stack gets energized.